Cultural Aspects by Demaya Jackson. We may have different religions, different languages, different colored skin, but we all belong to one human race. Kofi Annan. As we grow up, we are taught many things about ourselves, our family heritage, pop culture, world history in school, and many more things. We are also taught things about our culture as we grow up, like what foods we like, our views on religious beliefs, the clothes we wear, and the media we pay attention to. But as we age in this world around us, our view of culture changes depending on what we have individually been exposed to. We are taught so much about a minimum amount of cultures that us as humans are pretty close-minded when it comes to learning about other cultures, and this perspective of this definitely impacts the world and people around us. Although some people argue that one's cultural aspects on other cultures comes from the way they grew up and does not change, others believe that one's cultural aspects of the world and others around them is not shaped by their childhood experiences, but the world around them. First, in the world around us, we are mostly raised by our parents and families and taught about our culture and our culture only. For example, your family would teach you your family history, your native language, cook food relative to your culture most of the time, and buy certain clothes. There are different clothes for different cultures. We are so used to our cultures only that we forget to appreciate other cultures around us. For example, in the story By Another Name, the story pertains to two siblings, both Indian, going to a new school at Zarinabad. When their teacher asks for both their names, she struggles on how to pronounce them and changes them instead. By her changing their names, she refuses to appreciate their cultures and changes them because she doesn't understand them. Also, in the real world, there are also people who are seen as different because of their culture. Because they don't have the same cultural background as another peer, they can be viewed as different or an alien. According to the story Legal Alien, you may speak Spanish, but you're not like me. An American to Mexicans, a Mexican to Americans. People are scared of what they don't understand. People are often neglected because they are different culturally. Last, others believe that as we grow up, we are taught what to believe and what to follow for our cultural aspects in life, and believe that these views don't change or affect the world around us. But our cultural views change as we age and are exposed to more things in the world. There are multiple things that affect our cultural views, like food, research, clothing, music, media, school, and people. We are never too young or too old to learn new things from the people around us. Our peers can teach us about their culture and change our aspects on different cultures. In the story Everyday Use, Mama, Dee, and Maggie are the main characters. Dee is upset with Mama because she finds out that their grandma's quilts are going to Maggie instead of her. She begins arguing with Mama, saying things like, "Maggie can't appreciate these quilts." Maggie overhears their conversation and tells Mama that Dee can have the quilts. But Mama realizes that Maggie is truly upset and goes with her to ask what's upsetting her. From her and Maggie's conversation, Mama begins to understand how much family heritage these quilts hold and how much they mean to Dee and Maggie. They showed her the true importance of passed down family heirlooms. In conclusion, although people believe that we are taught our cultures and we aren't taught to learn and appreciate other cultures around us, others believe that as we grow up, our peers and the world around us teach and educate us about other cultures and how they affect the world around us. These are multiple ways our different cultures affect the people around us. Even by not understanding one's culture affects people around us, because by not being understood, they are seen as an outcast to society because they're seen as different. We are more similar culturally than different. We may have different religions, different languages, different colored skins, but we all belong to one human race. Kofi Annan.